Year 6 Maths Week for Day 1. Work out the sum of the angles in each shape. So 4 right angles, that's 4 lots of 90, so 90 times 4. 4 nines are 36, so 4 times 90 is 360. Again, 4 right angles, so that's 90 times by 4, again 360 degrees. So the angles in a square and the angles in a rectangle are the same. Diagram shows 4 vertices of a quadrilateral arranged around a point. Okay, so they've moved them from the quadrilateral to a point. What do diagrams illustrate about the sum of angles in a quadrilateral? So I know that angles around a point equal 360. So if each of those angles have been put together around a point to make a complete point, angles in a quadrilateral must equal 360 degrees. Work out the size of the unknown angle in each trapezium. So I've got a 90 and 90 and a 63, so that's 180 plus 63, which is 243. And then I know that angles in a quadrilateral, 4-sided shape equal 360, so take off the 243. So we've got 117 degrees. Okay, it's an obtuse angle, looks about right. Here we've got 2 lots of 123, so that's 246, plus a 57, 9, 10, so that's 303, 360 minus 303 leaves me 57. Oh, that's strange. This is the same, and these are the same. What is the same as what is different about these trapeziums? Okay, so all the angles equal 360, but because these angles are the same here, but they're not the same here. Interesting. Work out the size of the unknown angles. So we've got 45 and a 45 is a 90, plus 135 is 225. 360 minus 225 is 135. And here we've got 2 lots of 78, which is 156, plus 102, so that's 258. So 360 minus 258 leaves me with 102. Okay, so the opposite here, opposite here. What are opposite angles in a parallelogram? They are the same or equal. Two isosceles triangles are joined to form a kite. Work out the size of the unknown angles. Okay, so this is an isosceles triangle, so I know that these 2 angles are the same, and I know that angles in a triangle equal 180. So 180 minus 104 leaves me 76. Half of 76 is 38. So W is 38 degrees, and Y is 38 degrees. Do the same for this other triangle. So 180 minus the 68, and it leaves me 112, and then half of 112 is 56. So each of those angles are 56. Work out W plus X. Okay, so we've got 38 plus 56 is 94, so that's 94 degrees. And Y and Z, again, it's 38 plus 56, which is 94 degrees. So these opposite angles here are equal, okay? Opposite angles here are equal. Work out the size of the unknown angles. Okay, so we know angles in a quadrilateral equal 360, so let's see how much we've got so far. So 7 and 3 is 10, 11. 9 and 1 is 10, 18, 19, and 291. So 360 minus 291 is 69. So R is 69 degrees. Again, we looked at this one earlier, okay, and we decided that opposite angles would be equal. So I know that S is 73 degrees in a parallelogram. Again, this is the kite. And we worked out earlier that they were equal, so T is 107 degrees. And here we've got another right angle here, So we've got 2 lots of 90 is 180, plus the 61, so it's 241. So 360 minus 241 leaves me with 119. CU is 119 degrees. Teddy is drawing a quadrilateral. My quadrilateral has exactly 3 right angles. Is Teddy's quadrilateral possible? No, because if you think about it, if you've got 3 right angles, okay, you've got one here, here, and here, that makes 270 degrees, leaving me with 90 degrees. So the other one would have to be a right angle as well. Okay, because 3 right angles equal 270 degrees. So left is 90 degrees because angles in a quad equal 360. Okay, so that would mean there are 4 right angles and not 3.